Okay, so it's day 7 and quick video because it's almost midnight, so way past the bedtime that I said I was going to stick to. I mentioned that I often wake up at 5:40 in the morning to go to my 12-hour shifts, and so a good time to kind of get into bed into a sleep is going to bed at 9 o'clock probably be optimal, but sleep by 9:30, 10 o'clock. That's what I've been doing the past few days. But now it's 11:45. I'm still not in bed. I do not have a shift tomorrow, and there's probably there's less incentive to rush to bed. I came home and I have a few opportunities, like job opportunities that I'm pursuing, and so like I got into an email where I started responding and updating my resume because there's a little bit of a deadline to it and things like that. So I got hooked into that when I was home, and now it's 11:45. And the other thing that I noticed is even at work, I planned it out so I have a meal for every break at work, so I have 3 breaks at work. But today just was really busy, so I didn't end up even getting my 3rd break. And I ate about half of my meals, and then when I got home, I got busy. So now it's 11:45. I ate probably 1,000 calories or less. So I just posed this to the group, and this is something that actually is really beneficial for the group because this is a dilemma, and I really don't know the answer here. And the question that I asked is, what do I do in this case, especially in the future, because things might happen. I'm going to try to prevent it, of course, but what happens in the future where I get to the end of the day and I only ate like 1,000 calories or 1,500 calories when my goal was 2,000. One thing that I mentioned is like I'm between 25 to 30% body fat, so eating 1,000 calories a day, I feel fine. Like I'm not going to wither away. It's not dangerous, so it's not that big of a deal. But if like kind of moving forward, making that a pattern is probably not a good idea. The other thing is I'm trying to improve sleep, which is I'm already kind of late as I mentioned, but a way to improve sleep is to stop eating at least a couple of hours before bed. Some people even say more, like 4 hours or even earlier. So my question is, if I get to the end of the day and I only ate like 1,000 calories and it's my bedtime, do I just, cut off my meals and go to bed and kind of suck it up? Do I have a small meal? Do I, cut it off, go to bed, and have a bigger meal the next day? Or since, should I have like 2,500 calories and aim for that tomorrow? Yeah, that's the kind of thing, like, I don't know for sure. Like, I could make a decision, but, asking a longevity experts probably you get some more nuanced and specific answers that will be helpful in the long term, especially. Alright, so that's about it. Peace.